Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the fuel filter on BMW 318i E46. The fuel filter in this car is located underneath the car. The location of it is right there. On most cars there will be a plastic cover that's covering this fuel filter, but on this one there isn't. To remove the fuel filter you need to remove that nut and the two fuel lines on both sides. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the fuel filter is loose, now we're going to pull out the two fuel lines. That's the fuel filter out. Now we're going to replace it with a new one. Putting the new fuel filter on is in the exact reverse procedure. Now we're going to put the nut on holding the fuel filter, and then we're done with replacing the fuel filter. Afterwards you can go into the car and turn the ignition on and off for a couple of times, and then you can start the engine. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.